Okay, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today, Wednesday. Normally I don't upload a video on Wednesday, but I'm going to do a short video today on the rocker boxes that I bought off eBay to replace the rear one. You can see the rear one is kind of messed up. I did file some of the high spots down, and I am planning on sanding it, but I wanted to get something in fairly quick. So here's the front one. These both came off the bike. So the front one I kind of polished. I still have to do a little bit of work on that. But this rear one needs some major polishing. And rather than wasting a lot of time doing that, I bought a couple used rocker boxes. I believe the guy said they came off an FX, but it's the same motor, so it shouldn't make a difference what it is. I know it did come with the rockers, and he said the rockers needed to be refinished or whatever. I'm not planning on using those rockers. I got my own rockers that I'm going to use because they're already, kind of fitted, used to the valves and used to the tappets. So I don't want to disrupt that. So let's open this box up and we'll see what these new rocker boxes look like. Okay, I'm not planning on spending a whole lot of time on this video. I just wanted to was this sealed? No, he's got it on the end. So I just want to do a video on this. We'll take a look at these boxes and what they look like. They didn't look bad in the picture on eBay, but can't really tell sometimes. As long as the rear one is fine, I'm kind of okay with that. But let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this looks like the, this is the front one. So, not bad looking. I mean, it needs to be polished, but got the seals in it still, but that's all going. Let me get something. I want to measure something right quick. Okay, so I did want to take a straight ruler. So they look flat. I'm not seeing any space in between anything. So, because I kind of asked him if these things have been milled at all, and he said no. So, all right, so the front one looks pretty good so far. I'm pretty happy with that. Actually, I might just polish this up and use this one. There's a little scratch right here, but the hardware is changing. So, all right, so I'm happy with that front one. Let's take a look at the rear one. Hopefully the rear one's in just as good a shape. All right, so a little scratch, but might be able to do something with this. Yeah, much better shape than the... So this is the rear one that came off the bike. And yeah, so one of the things I want to use, I'm hoping, it looks like this has pretty tight tolerances. And this one's pretty loose, you can see, but I'm hoping this has shims in it so I can use the shims. What did I do with that? Of course, the gasket material is going to be all cleaned off on this, but yeah, I'm not seeing any space on stuff. Of course, yeah, this is a little bit of gas material, so I'm not going to get a completely accurate reading, but doesn't look warped at all. So yeah, so I'm happy. Little polishing, and I think it's going to look. This is the one that came off the bike, and this is the one that I just got off eBay. So yeah, this one's missing the spacer too. It doesn't have no spacer in there. That's gone. So I don't know why that is. Let me try. right, so I'm probably gonna have to clean these threads up. It's going in kind of an angle though, that's the problem. All right, anyway, I'm happy with this, so cool. I don't see any cracks anywhere on this. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for this short video. Just wanted to do kind of an unboxing of these rocker boxes. I'm pretty happy with them. This is the rear one, so this is the one that I am gonna be using. So actually, I might just use both of these. They're both in actually really good shape. They just need to be polished a little bit. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.